When we want to graph an equation by finding the x-intercepts, sometimes we can't factor. We have to use the quadratic formula. So we're going to go over an example of that. So y equals negative x squared minus 8x minus 13. So when we plug this into the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have our negative b, and then plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times negative 1, which is a, which is negative 13, which is c, over 2 times negative 1, which is a. So then simplifying, we have 8 plus or minus square root of 64 plus 52 over negative 2. And then that's 8 plus or minus square root of 12 over negative 2, which can be simplified further. 8 plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 over negative 2, which of course reduces to 8 plus or minus 2 root 3 over negative 2, and these all have negative 2's as factors. So we have 4 plus or minus square root of 3 over negative 1, which is really just negative 4 plus or minus square root of 3. So when we plug that into a calculator, we get the two solutions of negative 5.73 and negative 2.27. So these are our x-intercepts. And then to find the vertex, we have negative b over 2a, which is 8 over negative 2, which comes out to be negative 4. So that's our x value. And then we can plug this negative 4 back in. So we have negative 4 squared, which is just 16. And then minus 8 times negative 4, which is plus 32, minus 13. And that gives us 3. So that's our vertex. So we want to go ahead and graph this. We can take our graph and if we draw in our x and y axes, we have approximately a point at negative 2.27. I'll put it there, and then we have one at negative 5.73. So about there. And then at negative 4, comma 3, we have our vertex. And we can draw our graph.